NetSkeme offers 5 line types that form smart connections with symbol ports and other lines. In ISO compliance, the solid orange line represents pressure, the solid blue line represents reservoir, the solid green is a working line, the dashed orange line is a control line, and the dashed blue is a drain line. When connecting a line, hover over another line or port until a green dot appears. Click on the green dot to start the line. When Auto Connect is selected, NetSkeme will automatically route the lines between the desired start and end point. If Auto Connect is not selected, the user has to click to change the direction of the line. These lines can then be modified as needed by selecting them and using the blue grip points. Jumpers will automatically be created when non-connected lines cross.